Hey everyone, welcome to Data Science Trading. Today, we're going to dive into a detailed comparison between three of the most popular demat accounts in India: Zerodha, Fyers, and Dhan. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, picking the right platform is crucial. So let's break it down. Let's start with a quick introduction of each platform. Zerodha. Zerodha is the largest retail stockbroker in India. Launched in 2010, it's been a go-to platform for many due to its simple user interface, low brokerage fees, and innovative trading tools. Fyers. Fyers was established in 2015 and focuses heavily on providing advanced charting tools, making it a favorite among technical traders. It's a relatively newer platform but has quickly gained traction in the market. Dhan. Dhan is the newest entrant among the three, launched in 2021. It markets itself as a next-gen trading platform, offering innovative features tailored for new-age traders and investors. Now, let's talk about trading tools and features. Each platform offers something unique. Zerodha. Zerodha provides access to the powerful Kite platform with 100-plus indicators, multi-stock view, and seamless integration with Coin, for mutual funds, and Varsity, for learning. It's robust for both equity and derivative traders. Fyers. Fyers is ideal for technical traders. Its charting tools are highly advanced, and you can even trade directly from the charts. The ability to view historical data up to 20 years is a standout feature. Dhan. Dhan focuses on simplifying the trading process. It offers advanced order types, including basket orders and direct trading from TradingView. The option to link your trading strategy from TradingView charts is a game changer. Let me share why I specifically chose these three platforms for today's comparison. This is based on my personal experience with each of them over the years. I started my trading journey with Zerodha. Back then, I was looking for something simple, and Zerodha's Kite platform was perfect. It had an intuitive interface, and I could easily execute my trades without any clutter. For a beginner like me, it made everything feel smooth and straightforward. As I got deeper into trading and started focusing more on technical analysis, I switched to Fyers. The charting platform on Fyers is powerful, offering a wide range of indicators and customizable features. Plus, I started working on automated trading strategies and used their API for some of my screener processes. It became my go-to for serious charting and automation. Recently, I made the switch to Dhan, and honestly, it's been the best of both worlds. It combines the simplicity of Zerodha with the advanced charting and automation capabilities of Fyers. You can trade directly from charts like in Fyers, and the overall user interface is as smooth as Zerodha's Kite. It feels like Dhan has picked the best features from both platforms and made it their own. So, whether you're just starting like I did with Zerodha, or you're a more advanced trader needing tools like Fyers or Dhan, there's something for everyone in these platforms. That's why I chose these three for today's review. So, which platform should you choose? For beginners, if you're just getting started, Zerodha might be the best choice due to its ease of use, great educational content, and reliable interface. For advanced traders, if you're a technical trader or someone who relies on deep market analysis, Fyers is your platform. The charting tools are top-notch, and it's tailored for active traders. For modern traders, if you're looking for a fresh, mobile-first approach, Dhan stands out. It's great for traders who want a simple, intuitive experience with innovative features. That wraps up today's comparison. I hope this breakdown of Zerodha, Fyers, and Dhan has helped you decide which platform suits your trading needs. If you're interested in opening an account, I've included the broker links in the description below. Plus, I've written a detailed blog post on my website where I go even deeper into each platform's features and the best brokers for different types of traders. You can find that link in the description as well. If you have any questions, or if you're already using one of these platforms, drop a comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading!